Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we talked a lot about the huge, massive security update this month for Windows, and it all comes because of AI being used to search for security flaws. Now, this comes from an internal project at Microsoft that is called Project Perception. What is happening is Project Perception has been designed by the head of security at Microsoft and is basically using different models to check for the flaws in the code. And so basically, what it's trying to achieve is to get a way of finding security flaws, but at lower cost than different other projects like projects Mythos, which is a very good model in that effect, but that is basically a model that is extremely expensive to run. So Microsoft is trying to see, can we do that internally, and can we do it at a cost that is reasonable? So this means starting from now on that, we'll probably get these pretty big security updates every month. Also, what's interesting is how much of the code has been examined. I mean, the code for Windows is huge. So you can't really think and expect that they've, scanned all of it. They scanned part of it. And they probably chose where to scan also in terms of security, checking out what would be the best place to find security flaws that would affect users. So this is a new internal project, Project Perception, and that will, of course, drive the Windows updates for the next months and years. So 570 this month. How many in August? That's going to be a very interesting thing to look at as we start using AI to find security flaws. We've already seen it in Google Chrome also. One projection is that the security flaws will get to a peak at some point. We'll have like a record-breaking security flaw Windows Update Patch Tuesday. And then it's going to level off and then actually go down according to some projections. So this is going to be interesting to see each month what exactly, how many security flaws it actually fixes. One of the flaws, by the way, that was fixed in Dispatch Tuesday was around for 10 years. Nobody noticed it. So this is where the AI is going to be interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.